Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a quality grayscale image by using the RGB channels. I've learned that I can sometimes get a better grayscale image by playing around with the RGB channels versus just going straight from RGB to grayscale. So first off, let's just do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to go to Image Mode, Grayscale. It's going to say discard color information, so we'll say yes, discard. And there we go. I'm going to do a Command A for all, Command C for copy, Command D for deselect. So now I've saved that to the clipboard for later. Now I'll go into my history palette and go back to start so we can do it the other way. Okay, down here you'll see the channels. Right now we're looking at all the channels at once, RGB, but you'll notice I can click on individual channels and there's our red, green, and blue. And I can quickly see that the green channel is best. So let's stick with that. Now I'll go back to Image, Mode, Grayscale. It's going to ask me the question, discard other channels. We'll say OK, and there we go. So I'm going to go over to my layers. I'm going to call this green channel. Now on our clipboard we have our original grayscale image saved, so I'm going to do Command V, and we'll call this layer regular, can't type today, grayscale. Now let's compare. This is kind of a subjective thing, but personally I do think I like the green channel grayscale better. If you look in the hair, and the wrinkles of the shirt, some of the details of the eyes and the lips, there's regular, it's green, regular, green. I just feel like we're getting a fuller range of tone from the green channel, so I'm happy with that. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.